Good, it's snowing. It's snowing.
Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Federal Way, there's a winter storm warning in effect until Monday, February 6th, 4 p.m. The current weather is 33 degrees with snow. Today's forecast has snowy, rainy weather, with a high of 40 degrees and a low of 29 degrees.
Good morning guys, Maui today, and it is February 2017. We decide not to go to work because it's snowing.
So, Chris called us this morning because she needs some help. She got stuck on the road. On the road? No, in the... Right in our... Yeah, on the hill. Because we're neighbors. Like, we literally live like 500 feet away from each other. So she called us like, hey, I need some help. She got stuck in the middle of the hill. So, yeah, so Ian went out there and helped her out. And then... So I woke up and I'm like, I look outside and it's all white. Oh my god, first time.
I know.
Yes. So I'm so excited, but I'm so excited and happy, but at the same time, like, I'm scared. I'm shook. I'm afraid. I'm even afraid to drive in the rain. How much more on a snow day?
I know,
anyway.
right?
So we'll go outside and let's check out what's there. Okay?
Alright.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Boots. Good, it's snowing, it's snowing. Heading out.
That's why we move in Washington.
Wow.
Is it cold?
Let's make some... Wait. Wait lang. This is what you use for shave ice in Maui. In Hawaii. Wait, let me put this on.
Oh my god, it is snowing. Alright guys, so this is one of the reasons why we move in Washington to experience 4 seasons. And now it's winter. We're going to the mailbox to get some mails. Hey, be careful, it's slippery, right? This one, it may be like around 3 to 4 inch snow. We go check our neighbor.
Are they there?
I don't know. Lads? They're here.
They're here?
Yes?
Hoy, let's make some shave ice, bro.
OMG, I'm getting ready to go.
Oh my god, I want to lay down here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is my first time. First time.
We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in a lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime.
Shucks, we have to wash our shoes. Try look this car. Full of snow.
Put this on record.
It's cold.
Okay, so I'll take you to a place that we can find some shave ice to make. Hawaii people, these are the ice that you need to make some shave ice. So, do it like this. Put it in your mouth.
Ow, that's dirty though.
Dirty, eh?
Yeah, don't. There's a pool on the thing.
take it like this. Lattice. Lattice.
GoPro, take a photo.
Did it?
Yeah.
Alright, so let me report to you that I am loving this. This is my first time in a winter snow. I mean, December and January there was snow, but it's not as much. This one is really crazy. I am digging it. After 28 years, it's my first time to experience this kind of weather. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm just hoping it's not gonna be like this, like
Every day.
every day. I mean, it's gonna stop. But once in a while, I like it. This kind of weather though makes me miss Maui so much. Yeah.
Let's
And then-
bring some memories.
Let's bring back some memories from Maui. Choo-hoo!
I'm sorry for everything, no, everything I've done.
So, I'll give you some GoPro tips. If you're filming in a snow, it is good because the lights from the sunlight reflects from the snow and emits light. So kinda, if you're filming in this kind, it shows more light on your footage, so it's good. But only the bad side is your camera will get wet, so make sure you have GoPro waterproof camera. And yeah,
We're back inside the house. I mean the condo. So it was fun.
it is.
Yeah.
It's
I love
nice
it.
play.
Yeah. So
That's my GoPro.
I feel like I am a child again. You know?
There's a lot of kids outside and playing. I mean, like I could hear them from afar.
Sledding.
Yeah, but
okay.
not
Yeah.
usually.
So I wasn't ready for this. If I knew that it would be like this hard or thick snow, I would probably have bought the sledding thing at
Oh yeah.
yeah,
Because we live in the hill part of this
of this
condo
unit. So
units.
yes, it's really fun. So look at all our sorry. All our clips, and Ian danced under the snow, and it was fun. How I wish though my family were here to experience this with us, or with me, my cousins, you know, Chelsea
Joe.
guys, Nevea,
I know. Phoebe guys.
Phoebe, Gabriel, Hazelmate, Javen.
Shout out.
So I'm pretty sure they're gonna love it as well. So who is stuck in the house today?
What's that?
Lagers kay siya gutok.
What is it?
Ano, we are! But it's fun. It's fun to be stuck home on this.
Yeah.
Whether it's a perfect time to just enjoy the scenery. I love it, you know. As an Asian or a Filipino specific who had grown like all my life I grew up with just summer all year long. I mean, yes, rainy days and cold days, but I haven't experienced like really heavy snow like this. So it's fun. I love it, and I look forward for another one.
But I hope it wouldn't really get worse. Maybe.
Yes,
You know,
because some cars, you know, one thing that we are blessed about here, our car is the last car in a carport. You know, like it's still covered, and the car right next to us, it's buried with snow. Yeah, so that's one thing. We don't have to scrape. As of right now it's still snowing outside, so it's gonna build up more snow, and it says it's gonna end up to like 5 in the afternoon. I don't know if you can see behind us. That's our window right there. I open it up, and I love looking at it. Like,
it's like the view.
yes,
It's like a portrait, or it's like a, you know.
I love it. You know, this is a perfect time to eat chowder.
Why don't you
From
cook
Ivar's.
chowder?
No, the last time like I failed cooking.
Oh wait. cook quick chow. Back in the days, we used quick chow. You know?
Oh yeah, quick chow,
Or-
lucky me.
Or like we're like having sip on. Our nose is bleeding with
Sipon. Hang out with us today. We'll be vlogging all day, right?
I don't know. I'm going to edit.
Yeah, I just hope you guys, you're not bored with this vlog. We just want to document this so that 5 years, 10 years, 15 years from now, we look back to this day and we're like, wow, that was our first snow ever.
Brother Ease. I don't know that song.
I like your jacket. It really kept me warm.
Yep.
Yeah?
I only know this song. I hope I have a
Alright?
guitar.
See you guys later!
Ilong diha, kaya yak ka lang. Tang, 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 tang,
I made this last night for work, so let me show you. This is what we're gonna eat today, because we ran out of, not really, we didn't run out of food, we're just lazy. So we're gonna eat our my baon.
After 2 hours, it's snowing again, and it's pouring snow. Crap. What we can do? Stay in the house. What's up, brother?
Not your brother.
Oh, what's up, sister?
Ever call me your sister.
Hey, auntie. What's up,
Yeah.
auntie? So, how come it's snowing today?
It might snow in Federal Way today. There's a 65% chance. You can expect about 1.18 inches. By the way, there's a winter storm warning for that area until Monday.
Wow. So it's like winter. So I'm doing the laundry today. Right there. Doing the dryer. As well as I am rendering my edit. Try out the stuff. At the same time, can't be wrong. Keep playing. You know, life of a gamer. Peace! Love, mahugas ka lang dyan, ha?